Sit down and do it so it doesn't drop.
Lancome. You got some makeup, bud.
This would be really cute with your black necklace and your black leather jacket. Could I wear my brown boots with it? Yeah. This is really cute, though.
Son.
It's open. I'm scared.
Huh?
I'm scared.
Wow.
What is it?
I've never seen a boy take so long.
Oh my gosh, that'd be like so annoying. Another box.
Another box.
Is it really?
You made it like I could.
Hurry up.
Yeah, oh my god. Heavy though.
Oh my god! Don't say that.
Yeah, don't
For
say
real? I'd be so mad by now.
that. Well, we know what to do with you next year.
Oh heck no, I won't.
Oh my god! You got me an Nintendo DSi?
What is
Oh,
that?
this is awesome! The
Cool.
Nintendo DSi.
What could you more than Nintendo DSi?
Well, it's better than Nintendo DS because it takes pictures and you can make them whatever you want, and it has graphics and it has internet. So,
Wow.
yeah.
Internet, huh?